Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a upcoming 2025 Volkswagen Beetle with its all features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle boasts a sleek and modern design, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a curved roofline. Its structure is built on the Volkswagen Group's MQB platform, providing a strong and lightweight foundation. The Beetle features a range of engine options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline four-cylinder, producing 276 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive are standard, with all-wheel drive available on select trims. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Beetle also features a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Exterior dimensions include a length of 168.9 inches, width of 73.1 inches, and height of 58.5 inches. The wheelbase is 103.9 inches, with 18-inch alloy wheels standard on most trims. Inside, the Beetle offers a premium interior with heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The 8-inch touchscreen display features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 10-speaker audio system. Other notable features include keyless entry and push-button start, dual-zone automatic climate control, 60/40 split folding rear seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, ambient interior lighting, rain-sensing windshield wipers. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle offers a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality, making it a standout in the compact car segment. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.